This unit, we're going to be learning about rhythm and meaning in poems and songs. Our learning target is to describe how poets use rhythm and rhyme and how that can help you understand how they both add meaning to a poem. Poets choose their words carefully. Sometimes they pick words that create a regular beat when you read them. This regular beat, or rhythm, is what makes you want to clap your hands or tap your foot. Poets may also use words that rhyme. These words have the same end sound as in tin and chin. Rhyme can help connect ideas in words or lines in a song or poem. I'm going to read this song out loud. I'm going to clap my hands to the beat and then listen for the words that rhyme. You can clap along with me. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So while I was reading, I made like a beat or a rhythm with my hands. Now I'm going to look at the activity here. The activity is to read the first two lines again. The check marks are where I had those strong beats, wherever I clapped. So listen to that line again. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Wherever I clapped is where I put a check mark. Now I want you to read, how I wonder what you are, and put check marks above the strong beats in that sentence. Then look at these two lines and circle the words that rhyme. And then you're done for today.